farm doing a pump job and they're pushing feet up in the pile. Whole lot of tractor. A little foggy this morning, but we dealt with worse. Back to the job at hand.